Goodies from Bangalore. Guys, we are in Dubai Mall. Look at this Dubai Aquarium. Golden cappuccino. Wow, thank you very much. We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. Namaste and good morning all the way from Dubai. This is our day 2 and today breakfast with hubby. Sorry, I had miswrote the dates in the previous episode, so please excuse me for that.
So we are done with our breakfast. Now we are on our way to hubby's family because we need to give those gifts जो हबी ने बैंगलोर से लेके आए. So join us in that.
Lovely morning in Dubai and this is our old apartment. I have shown in my first episode also. और नवरात्रि भी शुरू हो गए. आप सभी को नवरात्रि की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. So हम जस्ट अभी अपने घर के लॉबी से निकल रहे हैं. We had asked the security guard there कि 805 में कोई आया अगर नहीं, if he could show us our house again, which is not a possibility. ऐसे मैंने try किया, but the house is already occupied. But अच्छा है, ठीक है. Always, you know, you are attached to the first property in any place you move to. Same like us. But our second property in Dubai was at Al Wasl, which is just outskirts of Dubai, or before Sharjah, Al Qusais area. Al Wasl is the name of the complex basically. So हम वहाँ नहीं जा रहे because it's too far and I have only today. So anyway, now we are going to his family's place. I won't be shooting there, and then we'll get ready and we'll go out. So definitely I'll share the bits and pieces of the outing as well. Stay tuned. I really wanted to have some nice chai and poha. मैंने taste किया. My brother and sister-in-law forced me so much because I'm still full from the breakfast. और यहाँ बैंगलोर से जो मेरे parents-in-law ने sweets भेजी थी, हम वो enjoy कर रहे हैं. We are back to our hotel and this is what my parents-in-law had sent for me. So yum!
A few moments later.
So here I am trying the very original fix Kunafa pistachio chocolate. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो जल्दी से जाके मेरा short देखिए. Here it is. वापस रिव्यू दे देती हूँ मैं. It's good. Hubby also liked it. He's eating in fact more than me. Because for me I like dark chocolate. This is milk chocolate. But काफ़ी interesting है. Very unique. Never had something like this before. It's quite nice. And go and check my shorts. मैंने proper review दिया है वहाँ पे. You can decide for yourself if you want to try it or not when you're in Dubai. Let's go. Guys, we are in Dubai Mall. Look at this Dubai Aquarium. Sharks. This one, the great white shark, baby. Oh my god. My god. What a shot. Let me बाहर से आपको बहुत कुछ दिख जाएगा. We'll keep this aquarium for the next time, but इतना तो हमने देख लिया. काफ़ी मज़ेदार लग रहा है. आप भी देख रहे हो हमारे साथ. I always find the sea life so captivating. Just wow. And of course for Ramadan, Dubai Mall is lit. Dubai Mall का fountain. So beautiful, right? Lovely.
guys, we have exited the mall. कल रात को आपने बुर्ज खलीफा को इवनिंग में देखा था, आज आप दिन में देखो. And here it is once again. Always a crowded place. Hi love. Oh, he's busy clicking. Yeah, आप shoot करते रहो.
No matter how many times we have been here, when we were staying here as well, you know, this place has some different kind of vibe and magic. So, hello from Burj Khalifa. So now we are at the Armani Lounge. We walked it off from Burj Khalifa.
Janu, are you ready?
Lover with you, love with you. Feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, love with you. Every moment just me and you.
And this is what we are here for. I'm going to have the golden cappuccino.
This is the menu option. They have, you can eat also. See, main courses.
Pizza or this coffee is fine.
We don't want to eat anything. We are here, especially me, not hubby so much. I convinced him to come here because obviously he always is very happy if I try something new, and that's my nature, you know. So he always supports and encourages me for the same. So I'm here for the golden cappuccino. I'm going to order that and give my review as well. Is it worth 80 dirhams? And how is the taste like? So let's order that. It definitely feels very good to treat yourself with what entices you, because it's your hard work and life is only once. We should live it to the fullest. And guys, this Armani lounge is inside Burj Khalifa, so you have to come from the main entrance, not this one. This is the back entrance where you have the fountain show and everything. ठीक है, जो मैंने आपको previous slide में दिखाया था. आप metro से भी आ सकते हो, car से भी आ सकते हो. We took the taxi. Obviously, it's more convenient. So you can suit yourself, just to let you know, because initially we were also confused कि उस तरफ है या इस तरफ है, but then eventually we got to know that it's inside the Burj Khalifa. So wow, thank you very much. Thank you. And for baby, classic hazelnut latte.
Take a picture of this.
Yes, I'm taking. Oh wow. Let's try the golden macaron first.
How's it?
Very nice. I'm not so fond of macarons, but this is nice. It's good.
So guys, मैंने already coffee पी ली, जैसा आपको दिख रहा है, because मुझे reel shoot करनी थी. So आपके सामने once again another sip. It's a cappuccino. Sorry for the golden lips. Okay, so it's a cappuccino. बस यही फ़र्क है कि इन्होंने golden परत लगा दी है इसके ऊपर, और टेस्ट कुछ भी नहीं है golden इसका जो भी परत है, but yeah, it feels like having gold. So I'm not only wearing gold, I'm eating gold as well, and I wanted to try this. So it's a good feel. Once at least you can try if you're interested to have the golden cappuccino. Come to Armani Hotel. Not bad for 80 dirhams. Good try. Baby, try. Do you want the macaron?
No.
All right. How is it?
Good.
Any taste of the golden?
It's okay.
Yeah, it's just bland actually, but yeah.
I use this gold leaf on my dishes very so.
Is it? Gold leaf? Is it called gold leaf? Yeah. All right. I'm gonna enjoy my golden cappuccino with hubby with this amazing view at the Burj Khalifa, and see you at the dinner. हम बस यही कर रहे हैं 2 दिन से. Eat, drink, sleep, repeat. Of course. Mini vacation after all. So see you in a bit. So everyone, I just had my golden cappuccino and मैं और अभी बातें कर रहे थे. So it's like I mentioned, it's worth at least once. Otherwise अगर आपको वो भी नहीं करना है तो मत करो, because basically वो golden leaf जो है, it's like a golden जैसे चांदी का वर्क होता है ना, वैसे वो सोने का वर्क है, बट इट्स समथिंग फैंसी फॉर कॉफ़ी लवर्स. डेफिनेटली आई वुड से इट्स अ मस्ट ट्राई, अदरवाइज यू कैन स्किप इट इफ़ यू आर नॉट सो इंटरेस्टेड. बट फॉर मी आई थिंक 80 dirhams is okay enough. At least एक बार कुछ चीज़ नई ट्राई करने के लिए, because that's my nature. For me, I love to try different things. So मैंने अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आपको बता दिया. नो इट्स अप टू यू, आपको कैसे ये चीज़ को आप देखते हो. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स. आर यू विलिंग टू स्पेंड 80 dirhams फॉर गोल्डन वर्क या गोल्डन कॉफ़ी, या फिर आपको लग रहा है इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ मनी? डू लेट मी नो. इट्स गुड टू एक्सचेंज थॉट्स. एंड सेम कॉफ़ी इज़ ऑल्सो अवेलेबल इन बुर्ज अल अरब, बट वहाँ पे थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव है जो मैंने देखी थी प्राइस. दैट्स वाई वी केम टू अरमानी होटल. सो यू कैन डिसाइड विच एवर प्लेस यू वॉन्ट टू गो और नॉट गो एट ऑल. Done with our coffee. One more tick in my bucket list. Obviously, I'm absolutely satisfied.
Every day is shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right.
हाँ, Konji ki hotel is a Michelin star Japanese restaurant. We are at a favorite restaurant. This is my spicy tofu ramen, husband's non-spicy vegetarian ramen. All right, let's dig in. And our crispy tofu. Nice. How is it? Hot. So much. I'm enjoying it so much. Guys, this is a chef, and I want to show you the signature ramen, which we have never tried, but maybe next time. This one.
How do you like Prachi?
Rachi, hello. I love it. It's killer.
Yeah.
As you can
What was good about it? Can you define?
everything, the broth,
Yeah,
the
you
base.
almost finished everything.
Yeah,
How was the ramen broth?
very nice, very nice.
Was it like too much of mushroom
Spicy.
flavor, or
No. It's
can you define?
It's sesame flavor
Okay.
and perfect level of spice for me. And I just love this. The greens in it, kidney beans as well.
I think it had
Very
shiitake
nice.
mushrooms and all that, right?
Yes, and bamboo shoots.
And bamboo
So
shoots.
good, so good. Guys,
Yeah.
please let me finish the last part. I don't
No,
want
wait. I want to ask you one more question. The spice level on a scale of 1 to 5, how would you say? Is it like 4 or 3?
For me, it's good enough. It's
No, you have to rate it on a
okay,
scale of
so
1 to
it's
5.
4.
4, okay. So that you
It's
can
good for
recommend friends, family, everyone.
Okay, thank you very much. But to my friends, YouTube friends, they're coming here. You can always start on the spice level, but for me, I love spicy.
Let's talk a little more about the
Baby,
bib that you're wearing.
Huh?
The what is it called? The bib?
It's just a napkin. They used to give aprons, like small
Yeah.
aprons before,
Yeah.
just to cover your outfit.
I like your earrings. They're very nice.
Oh, how sweet.
Yeah.
You have decided that you will not let me eat in peace.
No.
I want to eat. I want to focus on my food right now.
But you've already done so. It's okay. Leave it.
No, this bit also I cannot leave. I have to finish now.
Okay.
Cut it.
But let's talk a little more about your smile as well. So beautiful. See?
Oh, okay, fine. Hello, what did you drink today? Thank you so much, baby. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Prachi, for your time.
Don't call me Prachi.
What do I call you?
Baby.
Okay. Bye.
And we got red bean daifuku for takeaway. Thank you. Thank you. Such lovely decoration for Ramadan.
With you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems.
Guys, Ski Dubai is also here. You can come over, but next time perhaps for us. And that's all from this episode. I hope you enjoyed this mini vacation. Look at my husband, what he does. Oh my god. Bye guys. And see you in the last episode of Dubai tomorrow. Please ignore him. I shall see you. Bye. Take care.